Stay tuned for the most action-packed video in 2011. Pineville Motel Production presents Volume 103, Full with Action. This volume is called Catch Me If You Can. If you can't see me, you can't take me down.
Motel. Yes, the Pineville Motel in Nicholstown, North Andros is your spot for the most unique island experience. Whether you decide to go fishing, crabbing, bird and wild boar watching or hunting, take in the Forest Garden with live entertainment, indoor and outdoor theater, find your way to the Pineville Motel in Nicholstown.
Did you touch it? Did you touch it? Oh! She did me jack. God damn it! Too high, TJ. Right down. Come on, keep your eyes on it. Cool. Him? Yeah. Right down. Oh, shit. Come on, man. Coming down. Right down. Huh? Yes, in the box right here. The bag there. Too high. Right. Two birds. Yeah, one of them. Stay low, Wade. Stay low.
The name is Everett Jackson, and I'm here at the Pineville Motel, and it's been an experience that I could have never imagined that is in Andros. From the moment I walk in through the gate until my departure, it's been extremely exhilarating, and words cannot express the enjoyment or the fulfillment that I've had living in the simplicity of this hotel and these surroundings is gorgeous. And I would say to all my Bahamian friends, now I'm in the tour business in San Salvador providing a service for Club Med. And this is a service that I would definitely sell to my European clients. And I would say to the management of Pineville, you're on the right track, keep standards, don't let it fall, and everything's going to be beautiful.
Now he's down. That's right, one. Come on, come on, come on.
Everyone you meet, they're jamming in the street all night long. Be good.
becoming high like that, travel while they're over the trees.
Right.
dead. Hey! Yeah. They don't know you. Yeah. I went to a funeral the other day for a friend who had passed away. Cars lined the road all along the route.
Yeah, but I get
People
that.
came from east, west, north, and south. Roses by the dozens, cars by the
And that's what I call flex break.
Yeah. Bird pickups. What you call them? Bird pickups? Oh, you briefed them up before they come on the scene. What they do?
These guys, they picked up with me last year, so they were taught from them exactly what to do. But you know, at the beginning of the season, you still got to touch them up and let them know, spread out, stay low, don't stay behind me. When you're picking up a bird, make sure the bird is dead. Because if you bring a bird that's just wounded into your field, he's going to walk back out. And so you think you got many birds, you end up at 19. Little simple stuff like that.
Okay.
They have to know.
Right, right.
They flying to work.
Good luck. Right, this is your first day?
They didn't take your time to stay to his face. See, Shawnee was
We had 47 from Balkan, 20 from Diamond. Ghana and lost the 47 from Balkan, last day 20 from Diamond. Ghana and lost the
How long you been coming to Andros shooting bird?
1978. I have not missed an opening morning since then.
Okay. Right. What other type of bird you what you call the kind of bird you're shooting right now?
Game birds.
Game birds.
Game
Right.
birds.
And
This- These birds are very fast. In addition to being very fast, they also know that field dance. Where they're all over the trees and it's just not a straight shot. In most cases, you got to snap on them.
we would have put a speed to the speed
I like speed.
number.
I love the speed.
Okay.
The faster they come, I think the better it is for me.
Would you say they make him about 20 miles, 40?
Oh, I would think about 35, 40.
Anyway.
From out there. No.
The very first dog that I had, I trained him right here in North Andros, over in the back of John Mack's field.
So, how early is the bird start flying over, and when is it?
Say it again.
What time the bird normally flies? So, what in the morning? And
You can set your watch by it. At 6:45, the first shot will be fired. 6:45 every morning.
and how long does it fly?
Oh, it depends on what's going on the key, but usually you can think maybe an hour. And then you can go into the forest and you can hoot. And then they will come to the hoot and you can increase the length of your shoot. So, like for us, I don't know, what do we have on the ground now? 30? I would think we probably got about 30 on the ground. Should have 30 on the ground anyway. And then we probably can go into the field and hoot up another 20.
As they come over the trees, also.
Let's try something.
You should be in the big yard at the Pineville Motel. Yes, the Pineville Motel in Nicholstown, North Andros is your spot for the most unique island experience. Whether you decide to go
What
fishing,
year?
crabbing,
From there, come forward.
So you come to Andros or you go to all the islands or you just follow behind the bird?
So far, I've only come to Andros. Every year we come to North Andros. Every year I've come to North Andros.
So how many birds do you think you got down today?
Maybe 5 or 6.
Okay.
Half a dozen.
Yeah, that's very good. Yeah. Yeah. So what type of bird you like shooting? I mean, this is a crown pigeon or?
Yeah, only so far I've only shot crown pigeon.
Crown pigeon.
I haven't done any of the other birds yet.
You found them all?
And you love it?
Yeah. I hate the early morning getting up, but as soon as I fire the first shot, then I guess it jogs me.
Would you encourage other ladies to
Yeah, man.
participate in this type of
It's
what?
fun. It's fun. I mean, I enjoy it. It's fun for me.
They told me it's a lot of, it's basically a stress release type of sport.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, just to be shooting a gun.
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
Now,
you're
where'd you
taking
go, man?
a human life, but just shooting a gun, it's stress relieving.
Yeah.
There's always a team coming that comes over.
And you all came from Nassau?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know this much more than you think I should know.
Here's the thing. You basically just take that one out, right? There's nothing in the chamber now. You got shells in the magazine. There's nothing in the chamber, so you can pull trigger all day long. Nothing's gonna happen.
We have, remember this group they call the Lunch Bunch. Every Tuesday, some of the fellows get together, and it's not that guys are from most of the professions, from auto mechanics to lawyers and doctors. And every Tuesday, and when I have my lunch, it's basically an Andros fair, and that we have the white-crowned pigeons, we have the wild boar, we get crab, lots of cassavas and potatoes and so on. And you fellas look forward to it.
Hey, this is Gino D down by the Pineville Motel, man. This is the place to be. Indigenous Bahamian stuff. Come on down. It's the place relax. When you're in North Andros, the Pineville Motel is where it's at. Look at all this natural stuff, man. Bahamian or nothing, boy. Pineville Motel, North Andros. Gino D.
The flight got this morning a little low, but this evening the flight is a little high. Once in a while, we got a few birds dropping though. We can try again. This one, first one I get right here. I lost a few, but we can get it.
Very cold going on there,
What you doing now?
I guess pick a day getting rid of feathers and stuff, Make sure she clean. When you get the dog, just cut it open, bag them up. It's part of the job of picking, It's a thrill now.
You see, we got girls text me hi, and woman calling me bye. Lord, if my girlfriend leave me, I can die. Yeah, you see, y'all know this is Stilito, man. We down in Pineville, down in North Andros. And you see Crab Vest coming up for 211. Y'all know we can be there, and I can be kind on bad. I got the automatic shade, got a press button, pull up, just drop off. So for all the girls who be texting, y'all coming down to Crab Fest 211. I can be staying all the way in Pineville, because this is where it's at. Y'all know I'm an island boy, and down here is pure island. Ain't nothing better than chilling the way you used to live. Come down to Pineville, tell them Stilito! Say so, oh yeah. 211 Crab Fest, don't miss it. I'm just saying, come up.
I got it. For the first time ever in the history of Andros, Team 1, led by Dr. Nigel Lewis, will be challenging Team 2, led by Lenny and the Grizzly Boy, for bragging rights in Catch Me If You Can video. The best of the best. Action packed.
Para lo.
Hey!
One coming. Hey. Yeah. Right there, over here.
In a rose garden, I caution to leave. If the love she's so hardened, she did proceed. She did as soon as she cried, my soul on
Anh tôi làm luôn. Như vậy để Gue pick up that. Short, right next to the cameraman.
Like that? Coming at you?
Right there. A little bit right here. Wait. Another day. There we go.
You should be in the big yard at the Pineville Motel. Yes, the Pineville Motel in Nicholstown, North Andros is your spot for the most unique island experience. Whether you decide to go fishing, crabbing, bird and wild boar watching or hunting, take in the forest garden with live entertainment, indoor and outdoor theater, find your way to the Pineville Motel in Nicholstown, North Andros.
Team 2, you think you're gonna take Team 1 today?
Oh yeah, most definitely. You know, with the younger team, Sharpshooters Hunt Club, and you know we got them yesterday. Hey, come on, right? The end of the day, and by the end of tomorrow, we'll have some you know, a lot of birds in the ground, and we'll put the old guys to the business. You know.
You got it?
Hey, this is Gino D down by the Pineville Motel, man. This is the place to be. Indigenous Bahamian stuff. Come on down. It's the place relax. When you're in North Andrews, the Pineville Motel is where it's at. Look at all this natural stuff, man. Bahamian or nothing, boy. Pineville Motel, North Andrews. Gino D.
Team 2. The Team 2 is doing pretty well. Do you think you'll be able to take them down?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're probably ready, dude. One down the back of you too, Renzo.
Whatever gun you're using.
Benelli, Black Eagle too.
Got him. Okay, one of you fellas come this way for a second.
So, Doc, you think Team 1 will be able to, Team 2 will be able to challenge y'all guys today?
Nobody can beat me.
They did told me that you were the best, and
Nobody can beat me.
you have a message to send to Team 2?
Yeah, tell them they need to practice a little bit more.
Break down.
Pick up what you shoot, then you need to have fellas out there. So I always have a minimum of 3 guys working for me.
Make a lot of sense. Yeah.
But you do your damn best to do so. And so we always have, for me, 3, 4 pickups, and then the other guys will have 1 or 2 apiece.
Team 1, Doc and Time at T10, and we're here to clean up business around here.
Do you think you'll be able to challenge Team 2 today?
No, Team 2 need to challenge us. We're number 1.
You're number 1.
Oh yes.
All right.
We are the top dogs around here.
So you're gonna send a message back to Team 2?
Yeah, tell any of them. Watch it. Try to shoot them chickens this week. We gonna come, get ours, and get theirs too. See, I got it.
Hi, I'm Rose from Nassau on Team 1.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good.
I understood that you were Team 1, Nigel Lewis, the captain. Are you the only female on this team?
Well, so far, yes, I'm the only female on the team.
And
so I'm starting it off, right?
How you feel challenging Team 2 for Mandras?
Well,
are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid, because I, do my best. I only could do my best. So Team 2, bring it on. Going down, but he fire. You can't get him. I see him going through the tree, and he going down. Yeah, better. About this. Oh Lord, I should have said off. How I feel about it.
See what?
Man, that do hole in heaven.
singles, twos. So they pass in this area, they will fall. Some are very smart though. When they start that dance, that whoopee thing, boy.
So you gonna take him down?
Sometimes they can't get them. And they tease you, you know. When they say they bip the wing, whoop, they laugh. Yes.
What kind of dance you call that?
What kind of dance? That's a funky pigeon dance.
What they do?
They fly straight at you, and they stop in mid-air, and they go backwards, and then they go to the side. Then they go straight down.
What type of speed you think they were going? 35, 40 miles per hour?
What you call speed? Huh? Time you put your gun there, man, and you miss it. I hear now he did be somewhere in Nicholson.
So what you say, if you wink, they're going.
If you wink, you're going. Call. Jesus. You see that? Right there, and they miss him.
Go.
So I'm too late.
Nothing back.
You stand right here. It's getting hot now. They're coming. They're dancing right. These are no young fellas. These are senior. Nigel. These are senior guys now. They're the senior guys. You're lucky you touch it. See, I tell you, they daring. Whoop, whoop. They let you know they passing. They let you know they passing. Toot, toot. They tip the ring.
Again, that one, do it.
Oh, shit. As a foot cell in my mouth. Oh, yeah.
That's very good. So why do they call it a red white crown? Because of the crown?
Lord knows that I